Today I'll be covering a semi-finished cake with whipped cream and will be decorating the same. So for that I have set up here. These are the smootheners, some sprinkles just to decorate, few colors, few nozzles, whipped cream, spatula and an offset palette knife. Yes, so we'll start. Today I'll be using, for the whipped cream, I'll be using a non-dairy whipped cream. And for the non-dairy whipped cream, the way I use it is, first, for the people who don't know, whipped cream comes frozen. So firstly we thaw it in the fridge overnight. The frozen whipped cream, we thaw it in the fridge overnight. Later we use it in a mixing bowl. Like the next day we whip it. Correct? Yes. We'll start. So if there is any doubt, we'll clear it later at the end of the video, so it doesn't interrupt in between. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Yes. To start off with the whipped cream, we'll first start it on a medium speed so that it doesn't it rises very nicely and it doubles very nicely. And it's easier to whip actually. We also can whip the cream with the hand blender. For the people who don't have hand blender, we can also use the hand blender on a medium speed. Make sure your cream is cold enough so it gets whipped or it doesn't get whipped easily. So can you tell which brand of whipped cream is good? So I use a tropical whipped cream. It depends on which cream you get in your city. I only find tropical, so I use only tropical from Shine Roll. So if you have any other good creams there, you can use it. You can try once and later use which whipped cream you want. So I'm increasing one speed higher. You can see it is semi-soft now. We'll whip it till medium to stiff peak. So I'm just showing you how it looks. So it's kind of done, but just like 10 or 20 seconds more. It's almost there actually. Yes, it's done. The first step of whipping cream, I mean how long we have to keep cream out of the fridge. So you don't have to, the cream should be cold enough actually. It should be very cold to whip it. Not frozen, but Richie's and Tropolite are also good for non-dairy. Yes, those two are also good for non-dairy, but I don't find them here, so I use Tropical. Just give a mix. So I want some of the plain white cream. So I'll be removing it in a bowl. I need it to pipe later. To this I'll be doing light pink in color. For that I'm using Chef Master's Rose Pink gel color. Very little because I just want it to be very light in color. Just to mix it once. That's it. The cake is eggless. The cream brand I use is Tropolite. KitchenAid is I'll do the questions in at the end. To start off, I'll start it from the top of the cream.
Yeah, someone is asking, can you suggest a dairy whipping cream?
Dairy whipping cream, there is Ellen Wire, there is President. Those two brands are very good for a dairy whipping cream. Make sure you don't over whip your cream.
Someone is asking, KitchenAid is very expensive as hell, and is there any other good brand for stand mixers?
I personally don't know the good stand mixers, the other brands for stand mixers. So you could go for Philips if they have, or Chroma, I guess. So
how much cream is used for one cake?
Around 200 grams. So to start, we'll start from the top. We'll generously put some amount of whipped cream and go back and forth first. So back and forth gently, not too harsh on whipped cream.
Which color brand are you using?
I use Chef Master Rose Pink for this. On the top, after I've completed the top, we'll do from the ends first. So your hand should be totally on I hope you all can see it.
Shravanti wants to ask, how can you use the leftover whipping cream for making ice cream?
For making ice cream, you can just add some flavors to it, like any puree or fruit puree you want, or any kind of flavoring you want, and just freeze it like overnight would be good. So freeze it and have it as an ice cream. Yes. For now, I have the smootheners here, so I'll be using this one. These are known as whipped cream smootheners or soft smootheners. Don't be harsh on your hand, be very soft. Now you see those leftover like uneven, we'll just take little cream and apply it this way so it gets covered.
Mr. Venkatesh Dongrekar is asking the cake's name.
This is mixed berry. The flavor of the cake is mixed berry.
Anju wants to ask which turntable to buy, plastic or metal?
Metal or the heavy duty one always. Those are very sturdy. The plastic ones are not sturdy and they don't give a good support to your cake while you finish it. Okay, so just go on the top.
Again, someone is asking which is the flavor of the cake.
The flavor of the cake is mixed berry with vanilla sponge. You can see how smooth it is. So for the edges what you do is just you can see little bit leftover cream here. So what you do is just softly, very softly remove the excess cream to the center. It comes this way, very little, this way, right? There's one more way you can smoothen your cakes are just water mist. This is a water mist bottle. You get it in any plastic shop. So what you do is just spray the water from here, like from the far, just to wet the cake a little bit, very slightly. Okay, and what you do is in the end, just like you can wait for like 10 seconds to settle the water, the water to settle. So after that you just move once. Yes. So you see those air bubbles are small, like over whipped. If you find it, it gives a texture and it gives a little bit more moisture to the whipped cream. So this way, you just move it once more. And once on the side. So if you have any, like for the edges, there are no excess edges, I feel. So we'll complete the cake this way. Now once we'll wipe the cake board with the tissue paper. We'll take around once more.
Anju is asking how long can we store open pack of unwhipped cream and how?
You can store it in the fridge itself, but not more than like 5 to 6 days. If you want it, if you want to restore it, you can always keep it in the freezer and thaw it back in the fridge and use it the next day.
She wants to know how long can we keep it?
The whipped cream,
The,
the expiry date, till the whipped cream expires. Like you can freeze it later again. So you clean the cake board. If you see these, you can just once more soften it with a soft scraper and it's done.
once more, can you just rectify how much cream do you need for cake decoration?
200 grams.
For how much cake?
For one cake.
Someone is asking, Richies and Tropilite are also good for non-dairy?
Yes, they are. They're actually very good, but I don't find them here. This is also very good actually. It's very, very good. I use it. I've been baking from 1 year. I've liked the cream a lot.
Someone is asking, the first step of whipping cream, I mean how long we can keep the cream out of the fridge?
I've answered it. It can be like it should be cold enough while you whip it.
They're asking
whip it.
The whipped cream, already whipped cream.
Whipped cream. Okay. So you shouldn't keep it for a longer time because the air bubbles deflate and it tends to become very bubbly. So I don't suggest. The better way is you can, like the whipped cream, you can store it in the fridge and again use it later while you want to work with it. That would be a better option because the cream gets bubbly or so now I'll be just piping with the nozzles, with different nozzles. These are the nozzles I'll be using today, like one of those 4. So for the colors, I'll be doing pink, the same pink, and one will be a light darker version, and one will be purple and pink, like mix of both the colors. Yes, so I'm done with this. So for the color, I'll add a darker shade and purple. This is electric purple from Ameri. I'll be using very, very light. before mixing. So for the summers you need to work quick because the cream tends to melt quicker. Just gently mixing the color to it. I'll be answering the questions in after I decorate the cake. A little darker shade from what I did.
Someone is asking, does your academy offer only decoration classes in Delhi?
You can go back to the academy, but they have 6 months course and 9 months course, and they also have weekend classes for the same. But you can always contact the coordinators over there. They'll guide you on what better option you could get for. So I've colored the cake, cream 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for this is how
Liquid color or gel color?
gel color. Gel color gives a nice bright color and it's easier to mix. So for the piping bag, the easy way to hold is this, or you can get a glass at home, any glass. So what you do is, you just push the nozzle inside and so this is the easiest, this is one of the easier way. So what you do is just okay, and one. I've mixed like 2-3 different colors so it gives a good color to the cake and it makes the cake much more brighter. Just small portion so it is, you know how to pipe it.
What's the weight of this cake?
This will be 1 kilo.
Someone is asking, we will whip the cream in room temperature.
No, you can't. The whipped cream does not whip in room temperature. It has to be very chilled to whip. Make sure you don't over whip or under whip your cream. If you over whip, it will not hold a shape. If you under whip, it won't hold a shape. If you over whip, then your cream. In case if your cream over whips, what you can do is you can just add extra cream to the over whipped cream and just give it a slight mix, not over whip it again. So it'll for this, I have like the color palette for tissue cake. So I'll be just covering the half cake with the piping. To start up, I'll have the same color. Just small rosettes. Just take the make sure your piping bag is straight while you pipe it, and for the rosettes just move this way. Okay, and for the selfie I'll just mark the way I want to, like, this is the portion I'll be piping. This nozzle is, I'll be doing some ruffles. Just go like back and forth. One. Okay. I hope you can see and it's clear enough. For the one, just randomly decorate like as you like, or you can use any other color, that's left to you. Just small dots to neutralize the colors. Okay. Just randomly play with your colors. Done? So I'll use few sprinkles, any sprinkles just to beautify your cake. Just randomly. Don't like overdo. That's it. You can also place some more other color of sprinkles if you wish for. So you can, there's this pink ball. So if you wish, you can write a message on a paper, on a piece of fondant, or any other, like if you want to wish to decorate this, you can decorate that also. You can add some more sprinkles here. Anyway, it's up to your creativity. That's the finished cream. So Vaishnavi is asked how to attain sharp edges. Does it depend on brands or consistency? It depends on the consistency of the whipped cream. That's what I said. It should be between medium to sharp edges. One second, there's a problem. Sorry, we had to go. There was some problem on Facebook. So that's for the cake. So I'll be showing you a few more techniques of piping here. So for this you can always like go for the same, or you can do as this is basically a ruffle or petal nozzle. The name of this nozzle is, or you can go for the same. So for the plain round nozzle, there are simple dots, or whipped cream of the cake of the cream you do.